morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So, any doubt in previous classes?
No.
Okay. So, have you tried this project, Jasmeet?
Yeah, I tried it. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me just show you what I did. Uh, so first I created this web server uh, instance, and then I created its AMI, this one, and then
Just one second. Go slow. Just go to instance first
okay,
and take the public IP address and paste it into the browser.
okay, yeah, that's it. So
Okay.
I made this one as but I actually okay. Let's
I
start
got
from
your
the beginning.
point, what you are trying to say. Yeah, so just
Okay.
go next. Yeah.
So
AMI.
this is my AMI. Do you want me to show something for AMI? Or we cannot. So then I just create the load balancer. Um, just load balancer, and in target group I didn't add any listener, any target. Sorry. It's automatically.
Initially,
Yeah, it's automatically take my auto scales, which I just created. Uh, this is my auto scale. So, and this is my auto scale group. So I can show you the description of it. Um, so as per your project is showing that we have to create uh, to desire amount of
that's okay.
servers.
That's fine. No problem with that. That 2 2 or 2 2 3. That's okay.
Okay.
So just go to the load balancer and copy the DNS and paste it over the browser.
Okay. So this is my DNS load balancer. So
Okay.
it's coming from once the load balancer and auto scaling created my two servers, I just went into the server and just changed the web page. So in the second instance, I just write auto scaling number two, and for fun I just write auto scaling one, just
Okay.
to make sure that it's giving for both. It's going on both the servers, and this is
Great.
my default one.
So you understood, right? How the
Yeah,
flow go.
yeah.
Good. So are those are the that main machine which you have created, that instance, is that a Windows or a Linux?
Linux.
Okay. Now to
I
continuation in this project,
y-
do one thing.
mhm.
Create one more Linux machine and
Okay,
attach that Linux machine with the load balancer only manually. Okay, and try to see the whether it is distributing the load over that machine or not.
so like
You
I
need to
already have
just
one. I already have one server. Let's say I have this one web server. Do you want me to attach to the target?
no. This is the Windows machine.
No, no. It's also the Linux. They all three are Linux machine.
Okay, okay. So you tried everything with the Linux.
Yeah.
So just go and create one Windows. Means
Okay.
I'm trying to explain that you can try load balancer and auto scaling or everything with the different flavors of the operating system.
Okay.
So go and try one Windows also and manually create that Windows machine, install IIS, create a custom web
Okay.
page. Once you are done with everything, then
And to
attach
attach
that
to the target group.
target group and see whether it is distributing load or not. So
Okay.
so far that's good, very good actually. Now, what about this that listener project?
So right now I tried in this only. Let me just show you. Let's say I go to listeners and I add one listener port. Let's say I am just doing 81, add action. Let's say redirect. No
Don't
redirect.
do redirect. That remove that. Uh, Under this third one, yeah.
Okay,
Just do that.
this one.
Okay.
So I just put 200. I just put port 81. Then just add it. Let's take some time. Okay, so it's there, right?
Right,
When I go
now
to
copy the
there,
DNS. Yeah, yeah, okay, it's there already. DNS is there. Just in the end 81. Yeah, now enter.
I just did, but it's not going on that server. It's keep
Yeah,
on loading.
yes, yes, I got that. The problem behind this is just go to the security group.
Okay,
No, 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 not security group. Okay, just wait. It's not related with the security group. Just go to the listener once again and okay, click on 81 once again. Just hold for 1 second. Click on edit. Should get the response from here.
but it's not getting. I tried earlier, but it's not going on there. Some after some times it will show like 500 something error or something like that. It's coming.
Okay. Go to security group.
Okay, I have created this one. I can show you the security. I am only using this security group. It has the
Okay.
HTTP
Edit rule. Edit
inbound.
inbound rule.
Yeah, it's
Add
there.
rule.
Okay,
Under custom TCP, select all TCP. All traffic, all TCP just select. Not
okay,
all TCP, custom TCP, sorry.
okay.
And in the port range, put port 81.
Oh, okay. I got
Not,
that.
not here, port 81.
Okay, I got
And
that.
the range from all. So what problem I found is the
Okay.
firewall is blocking for my
Yeah,
see,
it's there.
got that? Yeah.
Okay.
For my
I,
security group, I have opened all the ports, so that's why I was not getting the
okay.
errors. All
Yeah,
custom
makes sense.
ports were open.
Okay, that's
So
the thing.
understood?
Yeah.
Good. So you are done with both the projects. That's great. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Now Ashiti will present the project on Monday. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
see her project on Monday how it goes.
Okay.
So let me share my screen. So yeah, let's just understand auto scaling more. So just quickly go and create one auto scaling group. But before moving towards the auto scaling group, I just wanted to tell you our next topic, that is SNS use and what is the purpose of that, right? So SNS, AWS SNS. SNS means simple notification service. Simple notification service means if something happened with your infrastructure. Something means it could be like what I called is new server is created, any server is down, and any server is having higher CPU utilization, some server is not working, they are not responding properly, anything. your network is not providing, your network is not having internet access, anything related with your infrastructure, you want to be notified in your email or mobile or the text message that there is some problem with your infrastructure, so that you can go and take the action. So for that we use this service that is known as SNS. And SNS is also known as pub and sub. Pub and sub means publisher and subscribers, subscriptions. This is fully managed. Now I'll tell you, you will see this word fully managed. What do you understand by the fully managed in terms of AWS? No idea? Okay. Fully managed means this service is completely managed by AWS. You are no role or nothing to do with the your side. You just need to go and use it directly. Like if for example something goes wrong with the SNS notification, you are not able to send it, or the back end of SNS is not working properly, some patching is required, okay, some requests are not going properly, all those things are being managed by AWS only. You only just need to create and use it in your any other services. Like for example, let's just see the use case. What is the meaning of that architecture? See, we have a publisher who publish the message or who publish the requirement, and there are the topic means the publisher who is going to publish the message, there has to be some topic to publish any of the message, and that topic, and there are the subscribers who subscribe those publishers, then only they will get the notification. Now what is the meaning of publisher, topic and subscriber? And let me tell you with one example. We have flipkart.com. Okay, so under flipkart.com, people order goods or any of the thing from the flipkart.com and they receive it. But on the other hand, there are things which is being launched by Flipkart, for example new product, or for example they are going to launch a sale or a 50% discount or something, they want to communicate to you. But it's not like all the people in the world will get that notification, right? There are millions of the people in the world and people are using Flipkart, so many, but there are very less people who will get that notification. How this is happen? So suppose for example there are 1,000 people in the world, for example, okay, and there are 500 people who have visited Flipkart, they know about the Flipkart, but there are only 100 people who has ordered and who have used this Flipkart. So they are the member of the Flipkart, they know what they are the customer of Flipkart, I would say. They have subscribed Flipkart. So whenever Flipkart will launch something new, what they will do, they will send the notification to their customer over the email or over the SMS that okay, we are going to launch new product, or we are having sale of 50% off blah blah things. So who is the publisher here? Flipkart is the publisher. Who is the subscriber here? The customers is the subscriber here. And what is the topic? Topic is this. This is the topic. Understood? What is happening here? Any doubt?
No.
We have one dead letter queue also. Now what is the dead letter queue? Dead letter queue means, see, this transaction is happening here. Publisher is publishing the message, subscribers are receiving the message. But there might be a chances the request which is being sent by the publisher and the subscriber was not able to receive that request. So what about that request? The request will wait for suppose request timeout we have sent for 10 seconds. So that request will wait for 10 seconds to get inside the subscription mailbox or SMS, but somehow due to some reason that is not received by the subscriber. So what about that request? What happened with that request? So that request will move to the dead letter queue. So those requests will be dead requests, that they are not delivered to the subscribers. So after some time or whenever the management, it's like once in a week or twice in a week you go and see your dead letter queue and you clear all those requests which are in a dead queue. That's it. So the requests which are failed, they are not delivered, is moved in the dead letter queue. So case is like integrate your application with FIFO messaging, securely encrypt notification message, like the message which you are sending here, they are encrypted, so no one can hack in between. Even though they will hack it, they will not be able to identify what message has been sent. Capture and fun out event from over 60 AWS services. It's like almost all the services we can attach with the SNS. So it's not that there are limitation between the services. Just like a CloudWatch, we have a CloudWatch who can monitor almost all the services which is present in AWS. In the same way, SNS also you can attach. Send SMS text to customer across over 240 countries. So obviously you can send SMS. There are some of the customers who are using the services. Okay, so let's just go and see the dashboard. Simple notification service. Under simple notification service, you will get this dashboard. Under this dashboard, you need to create a topic first. Create a topic. So you can create a topic with two-way, FIFO and standard. FIFO means first come first serve. The request which will come first will get out first. Simple. Standard is like the best effort messaging order they follow. At least once message will be delivered. Highest throughput in publish or per second. Subscription protocol, SQS, Lambda, HTTPS. Okay. I'll tell you what is the meaning of subscription. Just understand three first. See, best effort messaging order is like they follow their own ordering, which could be best to deliver the SMS. And at least once message will be delivered. What is the meaning of this line is, see, once the publisher publish the message, for once that message go and try to submit the request to the subscriptions mailbox at least once. It's not like that we have a 10 request here and there is only 8 requests which has been submitted, 2 has not sent for the submission. No, every request will try and go at least once to get delivered in the subscriptions end. Highest throughput, obviously throughput we understood, so they try to use best and highest throughput at their end. But here in the FIFO, the problem with the FIFO is strictly following the ordering. Even though if you have sent, suppose you have sent 3 messages, 1, 2 and 3, and the third one is the priority message, you want that message to be delivered immediately. But due to this FIFO thing, the third message will be the third priority. Once the first will clear, then second will clear, then only third will be delivered. But if you have followed standard, in that case, if you have sent all the three requests again, and you have kept the priority for the third one, so as they follow the best practice or the best messaging order, so they will take this third as a priority and they will deliver it. Okay, now what is the meaning of here also exactly once one message will be delivered in the both, at least once is like they will try at least once, and exactly once a message delivered, it means once this message will be delivered, then only other one will come into the picture. So the delivery of first has to be there. Here if they will try once, if that got failed, they will move it into dead letter queue and they will move forward with the other message. Simple as that. Now, what is the purpose of subscription protocol? And here subscription protocol is so many, here only SQS. So SQS is the another service in AWS, that is uh, simple queue service. Let me tell you the SQS AWS queuing service. Simple queue service. Now what this queue service means, let me show you the image, you will understand more. See, this is the example. See, SQS, with the SQS, what is happening? People are sending messages, right? And they are like bunch of messages we are receiving. But the problem is, some of the users messages are delivering, but some of them are still in delayed, or some of them are still not able to deliver. So we have a SQS service, queuing service, which will help us to order those messages and deliver one by one. So FIFO, under FIFO we can use SQS to for ordering. Okay, but under subscription we have a lot of options available. We can use SQS, Lambda, HTTP, SMS, email, mobile application, any of the thing as in subscriber, so they will get the notification over there. So as today we will use email, so we will select standard here. I will type the topic will be new product launch, and display name also I am just giving the same. Encrypted message I'm not giving right now. Access policy, data protection, everything is default, so just simply go and create a topic. Okay, I'm sorry, there should not be any space. So new product launch. Okay, this is the topic. Create the topic. So we have created a topic, that is new product launch. So see, we have got publish message and subscriptions. So but before publishing the message, you need to first create the subscription. Who is going to receive that message? So just simply create a subscription. Under this you will get this ARN and select the protocol. I am going to select the email. Okay, and see, they will ask me to put the email ID where you want to on which you are going to get the email. So let me type my dummy email ID and I will create the subscription. Okay, so once I will create the subscription, it will show me that pending confirmation. So how we are going to get this confirmation successful? We need to go and log in our email account. And I have received, see, this SMS or this mail from my AWS. It is saying we have a new product launch on which you have choose to subscribe the topic, that is new product launch. So just please go and confirm. So just click on this confirm confirm subscription, and I am confirmed now. Okay, and if I'll go to this screen and if I will refresh this page, I will get this confirmed status. Okay, Now we have subscriptions available, we have a topic. Now next step will be, let's just publish the SMS, publish the message. So just click on publish message and just type, we have uh, suppose hooray, uh, new mobile 5289, some code is available now for shopping. Okay. See, time to live is that time which I have told you. We will use under this, that till what time it has to wait before moving towards the dead letter queue. So this is one time. I am not giving any time right now. Let's just type some message body. Hey subscriber, we have new mobile launch in this month. Please visit us for more details. Okay, and under this, thanks by XYZ company, for example. Okay, so this is the message we have sent. Okay, no, not other thing. I will just simply publish the message. Once I'll publish the message, I'll see that in this queue. See, this is there. We have sent the email. So if you will go to that email box and click and see, soon you will get that email. What happened? Where is that message? Okay, yeah. Okay, you have created the message, but it has not yet sent. And to send that, you need to call it somewhere. For example, how to call it? 1 second, just give me a minute. Topics, under that, publish message. Okay, under this topic, I want to publish, and I'm not able to see that message. Push notification. Message publish, the topic is been successful. Request ID is this. Publish message. Okay. If we are able to publish, then why we are not getting email? Okay. Just wait for some time. In the meantime, let's use this particular topic and let's see whether we are getting SMS from there or not. So just simply go to EC2 dashboard, and under this auto scaling, let me first launch quickly one launch configuration. Sorry, I forgot to launch LC demo. Under this, let me go and choose Alma. Linux. We need to take the AMI ID from there. Instance type, I want to keep a T2 micro only. Add keypair this, acknowledge and launch. Now just go to auto scaling group, create auto scaling group. Under this ASG demo, launch template, here launch configuration, this one. Next, choose instance to be launched in availability zone. Next, no load balancer. Next, group size 2 2 and it's 3. Policy I'm not selecting right now. See this one. So what we will do, send notification to SNS topic whenever Amazon EC2 auto scaling launch or terminate the EC2 instance in auto scaling group. So we need to create one more topic which will help us to customize our need. Auto scaling notification, notify, okay. This is the notification from auto scaling. Okay, this is the topic, create topic. Okay, I can't select the FIFO. Okay. Now it's create. What happened? Create notification. Now I'm creating a subscription here. Just quickly go and create the subscription for the email. Simple, that is function AWS demo at gmail.com. Okay, create and just quickly go and subscribe that. Okay, we are done with this. Now I'm not publishing any message from here right now. Okay, I want this topic to be used by my auto scaling group. See, so here just go and add notification. Under this, select what happened, that other one. Okay, I need to refresh the screen. Add notification, you will get, see, so I'm selecting auto scaling notify. Under this, you have an option when you want to receive the email. So I want to receive the email whenever new server will launch, terminate, fail, any of the things will be done. I want email. So what you can do, you can customize these things also. You can go and add more notification, like for example, for launch I want this notification, for terminate I want other notification, that one. So you can create multiple notification also, but as of now I am keeping only one with for all. Under next option, just go and tag. Under tag, just give the name auto scaled server. Next, see, review and launch, create auto scaling group. So once you are done with creating auto scaling group, you will see these, there are the two servers which is launching, and soon you will get this. See, you have received this message. This is auto scaling, and see, you have received the message from this test notification. You can customize this email as per your choice, but it is just I am trying to explain that how you will get the notification. So if you will terminate any of the machine, I want to show you with in terms of auto scaling. See, if I'll try and terminate this machine, as this is generated by auto scaling, so I have terminated that. So what happened from auto scaling and from notification side? Just see. See, it is shutting down. Let's see whether we have received email or not. See, we have received the email. It is showing, it is giving the more detailed message. Okay. So this is the email, but what happened with the instance side? Just go and refresh. See, just give 1 minute time to auto scaling group also. See, you have terminated one server, but again it is creating one more server. Why? Because we have given desired state as 2. Every time my 2 server has to be in up and running state. Simple. So that's why to maintain that desired state, auto scaling again launching one new server. You have terminated, no problem. I am creating new one, and you will get the notification also whenever you will get the new. See, you are getting a notification that the health check is indicating it has been terminated and stopped. So, and see, you will get the new notification that an instance was launched is response to the unhealthy instance needed to be replaced. So they have replaced it. So you are getting a notification 4 times that when you start terminating that, when it will be found that unhealthy, so it will stop, and when they will launch it, so new instance. Understood this part till now?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So now next question, next part is, so this is our auto scaling, it is working fine. Now I want to go and see what all are the properties and what all are the things we can perform more inside the auto scaling. So see, under activity you will see what all are the things. These are the logs. So what are the logs? Initially they have launched 2 in C2 instance, one is terminated, so it is indicating that termination. See, the same thing you are getting in email. An instance was taken out from the service response as EC2 instance is health check is indicating, so it is terminated, then again it is replaced. So these things only you are getting in notification. So this is the notification you have attached. So whatever information you get here, it will show in notification. Now next is automatic scaling. Okay, I'll tell you what does it mean. See, this is the instance management where you will get the instance detail, what all are the instances been launched by auto scaling. Under this monitoring, you can create a monitoring part also. So we will see the monitoring also along with the auto scaling. Instance refresh, so that's not that much important. Let's just little bit talk about the auto scaling policies, and practical demo of auto scaling we'll see tomorrow, and I'll show you many other things also, what is the purpose of these things. So auto scaling group is having three types of policies. One is dynamic scaling, other one is predictive scaling, third one is scheduled scaling. So scheduled scaling or scheduled action means you want to schedule that in Diwali sale or nearby Diwali, I want 10 more server to be launched. So you are providing a schedule that from this date to this date, I want this much of the desired capacity, minimum this, maximum this. Okay, for once or every 5 minutes, or I can attach a scheduled cron also, that every 10 hours or every 20 hours I want this much of servers, like that. We can select the time zone also, accordingly we can schedule the action for new servers. It's like quite straightforward. With the name only we will understand that. Now what is the meaning of predictable? See, under predictable part, we predict. How we predict? We predict that after 2 days I am having one demo, and because of that demo might be the chance that my machines will get higher CPU utilization, and it could help, or it could cause my demo or my go live project will fail. I'm going to upload, I'm going to deploy my project in the production environment, so I don't want to take the risk. There has to be something who can manage and who can balance that prediction. So what we can do, we can create a prediction matrix based on that CPU utilization or network application load balancer request, any of the option I can select. Suppose for example CPU utilization, I'm going to create a prediction that because of this product is launching in the production, there might be a chance that CPU utilization can go up to 90%. So whenever the CPU utilization is 90%, just create a pre-launch server. Pre-launch server is like, see here, let me tell you one scenario. See, whenever we create auto scaling, we get two machines. For example, as I have a two as a desired, so I will get two machines. So it's like they won't be launched immediately, right? They are in the launching state or creating state or in processing state for at least for 2 minutes. They take 2 minutes time to get up. But what about my production work is going on? The demo or the delivery or deployment is in process, right? So during that deployment in a production, we don't have even 20 microsecond of time to get the new machine. We want that machine or any another machine to get up immediately without any delay. But because of the auto scaling functionality, we should at least wait for 2 minutes. Then only you will be able to use this machine for the production load. So we have one more functionality, that is pre-launch instances. So what is the meaning of pre-launch instances? Is like we will have readily available 2-3 instances with us, but we will not use that, but that will be in the pre-launch state. So whenever the CPU utilization will go 90%, immediately without any delay we can go and use these machines. So because they are already pre-launched instance, so they will not wait for 2 minutes also. They can directly go and attach and use it. So this is how predictable scaling policy work, where you predict. Yeah.
But we have to pay for those servers and
Yes, yes,
just okay.
yes, definitely. See, auto scaling is free, but the instances which you are going to launch using auto scaling will be chargeable.
So like we already have that instances available, but it's is it in the stop state or it's still in the running state?
That will be in the up state only. It will be in the running state, like in ideal hibernate mode will be there. So as soon as the use will come, they will up immediately. So that can't be in the stop state, because if it is in the stop state, again it will
Still
take at least
taking.
1 minute time. So they will be in the up state only, active mode.
So what's the benefit? Like we will create the servers and uh, it will automatically. Is it giving some benefit or not?
Yes. See, what about my production deployment is in process and that machine is stopped in between. So that might be the chance my production environment will be crashed. My website will also be crashed. There might be a chance that a whole system got down.
But the payment wise, we don't have any benefit, right?
Payment
Post
wise,
payment.
I don't think so. You will get any benefit. That you need to check in the pricing, because I have not done that
Okay.
things practically. So it could be like a little bit deep down thing when we design these kind of infrastructure. So, as per my understanding, there will not be any difference, because we are keeping these two machines ideal, readily available up. So you need to pay the charge for these two also.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about the predictive scaling policy. Use the historical data also. See, the main important highlight is historical data. One more thing, this could come in the exam with this also, that you want to use this auto scaling policy based on the historical data, where you can analyze the old data and then you launch the machine. So you can select this predictive scaling policy as an option. So this kind of question also come there. But the main use and too much useful policy is the dynamic scaling policy. Under this, just go and create. Under this, you will get these three types of scaling policy: target tracking, step scaling, and simple scaling. So we will have the demo of these, one of them, and we'll see how it work, but that we will do tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.